M4 iPad Pro is a powerhouse that can replace your laptop and level up your productivity, creativity, and entertainment. But to truly unlock its potential, you need the right apps and insider tips. Stay with me as I walk you through must-have apps and expert tips to maximize your M4 iPad Pro. And if you're ready to grab one, check out the Amazon link in the description. Let's start with productivity. Apps like Notion turns your iPad into a productivity hub for tracking tasks, brainstorming ideas, or managing projects. Pair this with the Magic Keyboard and you will forget you ever needed a laptop. Another gem is GoodNotes. Take handwritten notes with the Apple Pencil, organize them into folders, and sync across all your devices. Bonus tip: use GoodNotes' flashcard feature for learning and memory hacks. For multitaskers, master a split view to run apps side by side. Imagine taking notes in GoodNotes while researching in Safari, all on one screen. For creators, the M4 iPad Pro is a game changer. Procreate is a must-have for digital artists, offering incredible brush controls and an intuitive interface. Whether you're sketching, painting, or animating, this app is a dream come true. Into video editing? Try LumaFusion, a powerful professional-grade editing app optimized for the M4's M-series chip. Edit 4K videos on the go with the buttery smooth performance. Add transitions, color grading, and export directly to your favorite platforms. For quick graphic design projects, Canva is unbeatable. From YouTube thumbnails to Instagram posts, it's perfect for creating professional designs with ease. Let's level up your efficiency with some tips. Siri Shortcuts lets you automate tasks with a single tap or voice commands. For example, create a shortcut to open your email, calendar, and Notion in one go. And don't sleep on the Files app. It's not just for organizing documents, it also integrates seamlessly with iCloud, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Use the Files app to drag and drop files across apps. It's a real time saver. This M4 iPad Pro isn't just about work, it's also built for play. With the Liquid Retina XDR display, you will experience stunning visuals whether you're watching HDR movies or scrolling through photos. Gamers, get ready. The iPad Pro's performance paired with Apple Arcade or streaming services like Xbox Game Pass delivers a seamless gaming experience. Pair it with a controller and you have got a portable console. And with 4 speakers delivering Dolby Atmos, you'll feel like you're in a theater every time you watch a movie or play your favorite game. Want to go pro? Master the Stage Manager feature, which turns your iPad into a true multitasking machine. Arrange app windows, resize them, and switch tasks like a boss. The hover feature of the Apple Pencil is perfect for precision tasks. Preview brushes in Procreate or make exact selections in editing apps with ease. Finally, check out Universal Control if you also use a Mac. Drag and drop files seamlessly between devices like it's magic for your workflow. And there you have it, essential apps and tips to unlock the full potential of your M4 iPad Pro. Whether you are a student, a creator, a professional, this device can do it all. If you're ready to make the leap, check out the Amazon link in the description to grab your iPad Pro and accessories today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.